Surtsey Island. Surtsey is a volcanic island off the southern coast of Iceland that didn't even exist until the 1960s. It emerged from the sea during a volcanic eruption that started in 1963 and lasted almost 4 years. The eruption basically built up a brand new island from the ocean floor. Today, it's one of the most protected places on Earth. That's because scientists saw a rare opportunity, a completely untouched island, forming naturally from scratch. They declared it a nature reserve while it was still erupting, and it's been off limits to the public ever since. Access is so restricted that only a small number of researchers are allowed to land there, and even they have to follow strict rules. They check all equipment and clothing to make sure they're not bringing in seeds or other life by accident. Even a tomato plant once grew from human waste left behind, and it was removed immediately. Maydog. This remote country in southeastern Tibet, near the border with India, wasn't connected to the outside world by road until 2013. It's surrounded by steep Himalayan mountains and cut through by the Yarlung Tsangpo Grand Canyon, which is the world's deepest canyon. Before 2013, the only way in or out was by foot through multi-day treks over rugged terrain, but slides, heavy rain, and dense jungle made travel really dangerous. Even today, the road is often closed due to weather and unstable ground. This extreme isolation helped preserve both the region's environment and culture, so much so that the area is home to over 3,000 plant species and dozens of rare animals. What makes this area even cooler is its spiritual meaning. In Tibetan Buddhism, Maydog is seen as a sanctuary, specifically a bayul, which is a hidden land meant to serve as a refuge during times of turmoil. Today, the small amount of people living there are mostly Changla speakers, descendants of migrants from Bhutan.